Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Ecobee app and configure schedules, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening the App Store on your mobile device. Search for Ecobee in the search bar. Locate the Ecobee app from the search results. Tap the download or get button to initiate the download. Wait for the app to install on your device. Once the installation is complete, tap open to launch the app. If you already have an Ecobee account, select Sign In. Enter your email address and password, then tap Sign In. After signing in, ensure your Ecobee thermostat is powered on and connected to Wi-Fi. On the app's main screen, tap on Add Thermostat. Follow the instructions. Once paired, tap on your thermostat icon to configure settings. Navigate to the Schedules tab within the thermostat settings. Tap Add Schedule to create a new schedule. Choose the start and end times for your heating or cooling periods. Select the desired temperature for each period. You can add multiple schedules for different days if needed. Review your schedule settings to ensure accuracy. Tap Save to finalize your schedule. Your Ecobee app will now manage your thermostat according to your configured schedule. Explore additional features such as vacation settings and alerts in the app as well. Your Ecobee app is now ready to help optimize your home's climate efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.